Your water-fed pole helps you earn money. To look after it and help prolong its life, and in the end save you money, you need to look after it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I maintain my water-fed pole. Hello there, my name's Rob, I'm a window cleaner. I make videos about window cleaning, the kit and equipment I use, services that I provide, like clearing out gutters or cleaning the fascia surface and gutters. To help me grow my channel, providing you like the video, why not give us a like, subscribe or hit the bell icon to keep notified of any new content. If you've got any feedback or any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I always end up working 6 days a week. So this only leaves a Sunday for me to turn all my kit and equipment round and service everything, or wash my van. So what I'm doing here is maintaining the water-fed pole. What you've probably already noticed that I'm doing is loosening off all my clamps. Once the clamps are loose enough, I then take out the section. So here I'm going to remove the first section. Once I've done this, I just simply repeat the whole process for each individual section of my pole until I've got everything stripped down. What I often find during the course of the week is all the dirt and grit that gets on your pole hose works its way up into the water-fed pole itself. It will get between all the sections of your pole, so every time you extend them or collapse them, you'll hear it, and it's causing damage and wear and tear to your pole. So using a garden hose, this is why I'm rinsing all the insides of my water-fed pole sections down. This is to get rid and flush away all the dirt and grit that's inside the pole. Next, what I do is wipe down the outside of each section of the water-fed pole. This is just to remove any surface dirt that may be on the outside. The insides of the poles, I let them dry naturally, and this is normally whilst I'm cleaning my van. For the outside of the poles, I like to use Vision Pole Spray. This is by Jigsaw Innovations. All you do is lightly spray all the way around each section of the water-fed pole, and this just makes them feel like brand new and acts as a really good lubricant. It's hard wearing and lasts a long time. After 15 to 20 minutes, if need be, you just simply wipe dry. When you're ready, all you need to do is put the sections back together again. What I do is insert one section, tighten up the clamp, and then repeat the process until I've got my water-fed pole all back together again. I maintain my water-fed pole every week, but every second week I'll use a pole spray to keep each section lubricated and feeling like brand new. I find this works best for me. Why not tell me how you maintain your water-fed pole and put them in the comments below. If I've noticed during the week that some of the holes in the rinse bar are blocked, what I'll also do is strip down my water-fed pole brush and remove the rinse bar. Once I've removed the rinse bar, I'll also remove the elbow at the end of it. Using a pipe cleaner, I push this inside the rinse bar and move it up and down quite a few times, and I find it a good way of removing any blockages, and it keeps the rinse bar performing really well. Once I've cleaned the rinse bar, it's just a case of putting the elbow back onto it. Before I put it inside the brush, I make sure the elbow is in line with all the holes on the rinse bar. The brush itself is a 26cm rectangle brush from X-Line. It's DuPont, and obviously it's got a rinse bar. I find this a winning combination. It's tough, durable and lasts a long time. I don't think I'd use anything else. It's absolutely brilliant. All I have to do now is put the water-fed pole back in my now nice clean washed van. If you like the video, why not give us a thumbs up? If you've got any questions, then please put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. If you're new here, why not consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the bell icon to stay notified of any new videos. Look forward to seeing the next video. Bye for now.